Welcome to RIOMAGGIORE, CINQUE TERRE. Once again, you might know about this place from millions of shitty selfies in Instagram. RIOMAGGIORE is one of the most southern villages of the Cinque Terre, situated just a few minutes by train from La Spezia. It is quite sure that the origins of RIOMAGGIORE date back to the 8th century, when the inhabitant of the Vara Valley, searching for milder climate to raise grapevines and olive trees without the fear of pirate raids, so they moved toward the coast. The town climbs up along the ridges overlooking the sea. And it is characterized from the typical stone houses with colorless facades and the slate roofs. RIOMAGGIORE starts with the Via del Amore, or Lover's Lane, with a wonderful path known for the romantic atmosphere and the amazing landscape. It leads to Manarola, and it takes 20 minutes walking, approximately. The Cinque Terre villages are linked by a network of paths offering the best opportunity to truly enjoy the unique landscape. All 5 villages are well connected by rail, the regular local train from Genoa and La Spezia, run with a high frequency. We had a wonderful time, really. All my life I've seen the photos in Instagram and Facebook and all these travel documentaries, and now we are here. So I'm glad we did it. Now let's take a look at some photos. Interestingly enough, the photos will be in black and white, so I'm really curious to see the result. This is our room.
NYPD doesn't want to come out anymore.
Oh wow, that's tough. Hey, there you are. That's close to me.
Following photos are taken with Fuji X20 edited in Silky Pix Developer Studio Pro with Fuji Acros Film Simulation. Enjoy! Guess what? I see you in Pisa.